Hey guys, welcome to my channel, and this video I'm gonna show you how you can add VPN on your Android device. So it's super easy and we will make sure you get it right. You just make sure to watch the complete video carefully to avoid forgetting anything and making mistakes. So guys, open your device setting app and tap network and internet, and here I found the VPN. If you can't find it, search for the VPN. If you still can't find it, get help from your device manufacturer at the top right and tap add. Now enter the information from your administrator and tap save. For example, here I'm going to add VPN. You can see add VPN, and here select the name, you can select the address, you can select the IP second identifier, and also you can set the username and password, and after that you can simply tap right here on OK, and it will save your information like that. So this is how you can easily add VPN on your device. You can also use third party app. Go to your Play Store and from there search for the VPN, and you can see if I search the VPN, you can see VPN proxy. I have different they will give me different VPN options, so I can download one of that. I recommend that VPN proxy master. So this is how you can easily use VPN on your Android device. Hope you guys like my video. Please consider showing your support by commenting, liking, sharing and subscribing to my channel for more valuable content in the future.